This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing the motorcycle upright and removing any pressure from the brake system. First, crack the caliper bolts. Only loosen them now, so the caliper can move. Then open the master cylinder or reservoir cap to prevent fluid buildup when you push pistons. Once done, unbolt the caliper fully and hang it safely with a hook or zip tie. Make sure hose tension is low. This prevents strain on the line and keeps parts accessible for piston removal. You now remove the pads and any retaining hardware so the pistons are exposed. Next, either use a piston spreader tool or very gently apply low-pressure compressed air through the brake fluid inlet. Cover the outlet with a rag to catch pistons. Go slowly, only small bursts to avoid popping seals. Once pistons move, pull them out evenly, rotating slightly to break seal adhesion. Clean each piston and bore with brake cleaner and a soft brush. Keep debris out of the caliper. You finish by inspecting and fitting new seals and dust boots. Never reuse damaged seals. Lightly coat new seals with clean brake fluid so pistons slide in smoothly, then press pistons evenly into the bore to avoid pinching a seal. Reinstall pads and torque caliper bolts to spec, then bleed the system until steady, bubble-free fluid flows and lever feel is firm. If the lever remains spongy, check for trapped air or a leaking seal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.